Hello student. In the previous video of the chapter 3rd History, Nazism and the Rise of Hitler, we discussed about the political reconstructions of the Germany. In this video, we will discuss about the Hitler's views, means Hitler's political party, the Nazi party's views about the rule of the Germany. The crimes that Nazi committed were linked to a system of belief and a set of practice. Nazi's ideology was synonymous with the Hitler's worldview about the peoples. And according to their ideology and Hitler's view, there was no equality between people, but only a racial hierarchy. Means those who are the blonde, blue-eyed, those are the Nordic German area, they were at the top. And other side, the Jews who were inferior from them are located at the lowest ranks. Means वो Jews को German Aryans के कट्टर शत्रु मानते थे एंड ऑल द अदर कलर्ड पीपल्स वर प्लेस्ड इन बिटवीन डिपेंडिंग ऑन देयर एक्सटर्नल फीचर्स. Hitler's racism borrowed from the thinkers like the Charles Darwin and the Herbert Spencer. Darwin, who was a natural scientist, he tried to explain the creation of the plants and animals through the concept of the evolutions and natural selections. And Herbert Spencer gave the idea of survival of the fittest. And according to their ideas, only those species survived on the earth that could adapt themselves to changing climate conditions. Means वही species इस अर्थ पे सर्वाइव कर सकती है जो अपने आप को एटमॉस्फेरिक चेंज के अकॉर्डिंग अडॉप्ट कर सके, ढाल सके अपने आप को. But we should also remember that both the scientists never advocate human intervention in what he thought. They are talking about the natural process of selection. उन्होंने humans के बारे में कुछ बात नहीं की, सिर्फ एक नेचुरल प्रोसेस के बारे में बताया है. बट द रेशियल थिंकर्स टेक द आइडियाज ऑफ द डार्विन एंड द हर्बर्ट स्पेंसर्स इन देयर ओन पॉलिटिशियंस टू जस्टिफाई इंपीरियल रूल ओवर कंक्यूर्ड पीपल्स. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैम द नाजीज was the simple, the strongest race, and they can survive. And other, those are the inferior from them, like the Jews, they are weak and they should perish. Means they have to end. And the Aryan race was the finest, so it had to retain its purity. They had to become stronger and dominate the world. The other aspect of Hitler's ideology related to the geopolitical concept of the Lebensraum, means a living space. And he believed that the new territory had to be acquired for the settlement, so that the area of the mother country, means a mother country का extend होगा, and the persons have no difficulty to settle there, and they have no difficulty to make relations with their motherland. So it would also enhance the material resource and power of the German nations. Means इससे जर्मनी के material resource और उसकी power भी increase होगी. So that's why Hitler intend to extend German boundary by moving eastwards, and there he want to concentrate all German geographical in one place. Means वो सभी जर्मन को भौगोलिक दृष्टि से एक जगह इकट्ठा करना चाहता था. And so that's why Poland become the laboratory for this experimentation. And in the next video, we will discuss about the establishment of the racial state by the Hitler and their Nazi party.